When we hear the word discipline, it can feel like something that limits our freedom because we want to do something, but we have to be disciplined. Yeah, and it can remind a little bit of our childhood when we were told what to do and we didn't want to. Yeah, and we felt like it's limiting our freedom. And at the same time, without discipline, you can hardly achieve anything in your life. So, does discipline limit your freedom, or does discipline actually give you freedom? I'm Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. I also wrote a book on personal development. I talk more about it in this video, so watch it after you watch this one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you will not miss valuable information coming every week. Even though being a free-spirited people, we might feel like discipline is limiting our freedom or putting some pressure on us, but actually it's the other way around. Discipline gives us the freedom to manage our time and to manage our life, and to achieve our goals. If you look at any successful person in this world, this was somebody who had discipline to do what he or she wanted and finally achieved his or her goals. And there is no way around that. You can either waste your time, or you can be disciplined to manage your time and to use your time to become a better version of yourself, to achieve your goals and so on. We can also think that time just runs and we cannot do anything about it. But in fact, we can use our time for our own benefit and for the benefit of other beings. And the main tool to manage our time is discipline. If you have discipline, people like you, people respect you because they know they can rely on you. They know that if you say you will come at that time, you will come at that time, They know that if you say, yes, I will do that, you will do it because you have the willpower to do it. You have the discipline to do it. You are free to decide what you can and cannot do. You are free to decide to limit yourself or not. And if you don't have discipline, you limit your possibilities. And very often we are not aware of all the potential we have in us, especially if you look at people who are a bit older and they've done everything in life and they think that now it's time just to have some rest, so to say. But in fact, this is the time when you have so much freedom to do what you want because you have less responsibilities, you have more time, and very often you have more money. So this is the time where you can do a lot of great things. When I look at my parents, I'm really happy to see that they continue working, they continue doing what they want, they get a lot of fun from doing what they want. They really love their work. My both parents are mathematicians and my father is doing science, and my mom, she traveled around the world and she's still traveling a lot. So she's a traveling expert and she provides travel information to those people who want to travel somewhere but don't want to waste their time searching online like the places where one should go and not to miss great places and so on. So if you want to get a full package of where to go, how to reach there, what are the best possibilities to do and to see in a particular country, you can contact my mom via Instagram or via our website, or you can just leave a comment below and we can provide you with travel information so that you don't have to waste your time and money to get this information and you can make the best out of your vacation or your traveling abroad. And if you want to see where my mom traveled and what she did, you can check out her Instagram account. It is in the description below. And for any information, just write me a direct message on Instagram or website or in the comments. No matter in which stage of your life you are, if you have time or you think you don't have time, discipline is what gives you freedom to do what you want. And because you are capable of doing much more than you think you want, that discipline will help you discover your possibilities. And some people think that discipline is something that puts pressure on you. But actually it's the other way around, because if you don't have discipline, you are always late, you don't meet deadlines, and this is a lot of stress, this is a lot of pressure, and this is no freedom at all. and people get upset with you. Yeah, and if you have discipline, people like being with you. People know what to expect, and that they know they can trust you. They know they can get from you what you promised. Time is the only resource you can never get back, and I have more videos on time management and how to be productive. Working from home, I'll put some links up here somewhere and also in the description below. Check the links out. Like in everything in life, one should have a good balance of things, yeah? And the same with discipline. Sometimes I see people like businessmen, who are so much booked and so much stressed, yeah, and they have discipline, but they don't have any freedom anymore, yeah. They build a business to become more free. At the end, they don't have no more free time to spontaneously decide to have a dinner with their family or something, One should not overdo with discipline either. Make sure when you plan your schedule that you leave some free time for your family and just for yourself, just to do what you want. Freedom is to be able to decide in the last moment. And if you don't leave yourself those open windows for deciding what you want to do, like in the evening or on weekends, then you're way too organized in the way that you started limiting your freedom. Make sure that your business is giving you freedom. Make sure that your goals give you more richness in life and not limit your time like 100%, to the extent that even your family cannot get in touch with you. So one should, of course, have balance, like in everything in life. Discipline gives you freedom, yeah? It doesn't limit your freedom. It's only you who can limit your freedom. So check from time to time, is it you running your business or is it your business running you? And then you can decide if this is the time to give more freedom for yourself and to put some projects at the side or to delegate some of your activities to other people, or maybe to cut out some project that didn't bring so much money but take too much of your time. Be productive, be disciplined, and be free. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps me promote my videos on YouTube. And also leave me a comment if you think you are a disciplined person, if you have any issues with discipline, and if you feel that discipline gives you freedom, or if you're too stressed and don't have any free time for being free. And please watch other videos of mine on personal development. The links are in the description and also somewhere in here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified when my new video is out. See you next week.